contact the developers and maintain its performance throughout its service life. Throughout its service life. Okay. More effectively peel, debur, mix, finish, polish, clean, and remove coatings such as paint, stains, adhesives, weld damage, rust, heavy oxides, and surface contaminants without damaging the workpiece. Without damaging the workpiece. This is how important you must know. This is how important for the provide for the customer, right? The flexible Bristol can reach areas of minute details, as well as irregular, curved, or flat surface. Ideal for jewelry. Ideal for jewelry. Ideal for jewelry. Ideal for jewelry making, handicraft, wood carving, and DIY product. DIY product. This is Bristol disc. Okay, this is Bristol disc. Mhm. Okay, and for some like for each like I mentioned, for each product we have five sizes, and we have five different sizes provided. Okay, please allow me one time to introduce you. The next I would like to introduce you the non-woven non-woven polish wheel, and in the non-woven polish wheel we have a special product for you to know. You know that non-woven polish wheel is how to say that or a knockout product is a little bit it is not so special, but we also choose the higher standard of the materials to fabricate the non-woven pouch wheel. Okay, actually this is okay. Okay. Please look at please look at the back of the wall. And is there any product that you interested in the most? I would like to express that product to you the first. I would like to produce you that product first. Okay. Okay. Okay, I would like to introduce you. Now, if there's no preference of you, I didn't see any comments. Uh, I didn't see any comments. And okay, I would like to introduce you the next product in order. Actually, I want to do introductions, but there's no introductions for me. I would like to introduce you the product one by one. Okay, next I would like to introduce you the non-written publish wheel. Before I start to introduce you the common non-web publish wheel, I would like to introduce your non-web publish wheel. What is this? With this one, with the smart design on the top of it, with the smart design on the top of it, top of it. Okay, on top of it. And actually, with this smart design, is conformability. The conformability with the smart design, it allows a user to stay in contact with complex robotic processing. Layer really type construction can operate clockwise or counterclockwise direction. It can choose different directions in your use. Okay. The densities and the weight ranging from soft and comfortable to hard and abrasive offer features for wide variety of applications. Minimizes heat buildup to lessen impact on heat-sensitive materials. Resist smothering for cleaner surfaces and the light purpose. Why we call this a light purpose? And you can see the normal granny wheels in arbor hole in the middle of the normal granny wheel. And if you want to mount, and if you want to mount the disc on the, if you want to mount the disc or the wheels on the abrasive tools, you have to use the flange, right? But with the smart design, and you don't have to. You don't have to. You can save your time to mount it on the right on the right tools, So it is very important. So it is quite important for you to use it. It is quite important for the operator to use it. And why there are a lot of there are a lot of big companies work with us for this smart design of publish wheel. And the for this non-web publish wheel with the smart design, we work with Bosch. We work with Bosch. We do OEM for Bosch of this product. Okay. Okay. So the next, let's go to the the regular non-web publish wheel. Non-web publish wheel contains black silicon carbide strong cutting poles suitable for grinding, finishing, and polishing applications of various metal parts such as knife, scissors, cups, tongues, kitchenwares. Okay. Okay. The system told us that I have a do the string gun for 1.5 hours, and I think I will do longer. I just want to keep you stay here longer. I hope you can enjoy the sharing of the knowledge to you. Really, I really hope you can enjoy the economic sharing of us, and to help you to know more about the product, to help you to know more about our product. Maybe it help you with your and all your friends to success. I don't know who will join this, who is saying, who is watching this live. And maybe you or your families or your relatives or your friends is working in the automotive areas or aerospace area, aviation area, medical equipment areas, sport equipment area. Anyone of you, if you work in these areas and open, and you definitely will use our products to do the branding. And if you can search us, if you encounter us here, if we take the chance to meet each other here, and you know about our product, exactly our product will help with the success of your business. And please cost some few minutes to listen what I explained to you of our product. I think it's totally worth your time. Um, okay, now I would like to telling you about the uh, I would I would like to tell you about the pro unit hardware. You can see this video. You can see this video. They are use the pro unit hardware to branding the surface, to branding the surface of the threaded interface here, threaded interface here. You know what areas, you know what industries to use this, to use this, to use this pro unit as well, to use this pro unit as well in the petroleum industry. You know, in the petroleum industry, they need to pipe. They need a pipe to get together to extract the oil and gas and deliver the oil and the gas with pipe, right? With casing pipe or the normal pipe, right? To keep the pipe solid and longer enough, we have to use the threaded interfaces to connect the pipe together, to connect the pipes together, right? So at this time, at this moment, to keep the surface of this threaded interface, to keep the surface clean and smooth enough of this threaded interface is very important. It's very important, right? So, so this is what the advantage of our pro unit as well as we can use this kind of product to we can use this kind of product to branding the surface of the threaded interfaces. The burst and finished pro-unitized well spans many industries, including oil and gas industries. Like I mentioned before, petroleum industries, oil and gas industries, aerospace, automotive, and the metal fabrication industry. It debuts, blends, and finishes on a variety of work pieces designed for a variety of metalworking applications. Achieve enduring use, reduce change times, minimize dust and debris rebuildup, deburring finish, and blending in one time delivers 30 to 50% faster birds removal while minimizing overcutting for fuel rejections. That's a main brief of the protein as well. Protein as well. And I also would like to show you some case show about the protein as well. Let me sometime I'll find the case show. Okay. No, really function. Here's the unitized will. Okay, unitized will. Okay, well, I'll find it later. Now here. Okay. Pro-unitized will. Pro-unitized will is specially designed for the burring and polish applications for all kinds of metal pipe, threaded organ micropipe threaded joints. It uses special blue abrasives for excellent performance, excellent durability in the burn, and less dust, no scrap, safe production, health and environment protection, comfortable polish feel, moderate elasticity, and not change the threaded size, do not damage the workpieces. You know, actually the threaded size is easily to be damaged. And if the threaded size is damaged and this threaded joint is waste, you cannot use it. So the very important is that to keep the threaded joints, to keep the original geometry of the threaded joints is very important, right? If during the grinding, if you damage the threaded sides, then you won't, and this is cannot be used, right? And you have to throw it. It's a kind of waste of your material, waste of your money, waste of your work business. So you have to choose the right grinding stuff to grind the threaded joints. Actually, this is kind of sophisticated work. So you have to choose the right grinding stuff to do it, right? Especially in the petroleum industry. You know, you can't. You have to maintain. There's no leaking during the oil extract and the delivery process. So you have to keep the pipe get together solid enough, right? You have to make the surface clean to make the threaded surface clean enough and smooth enough to get the pipe together solid, and it will avoid any leak possibility of the gas and oil. So this is quite important. This is quite important. Okay. Mm, I think maybe another 5 minutes, another 50 minutes. I think what about the I think what about the way introduce I think we let's let me explain more to more products. Okay, explain you to more products. Okay. Uh, the next is the next. Which one would you like to hear to next? I always want to do an interaction with you. So in the behind, in all the product we produce behind, please. I hope I can see your comment. I hope I can see your comments here to tell me which product you want to know, which product you are interested in the most, and you want to know it more, and give me a comment, and I would like to introduce you more about that product. Okay, maybe the convolute wheel, or the November polish wheel, or the Bristol disc, or the smaller one like this, like the Pro Intense wheel. Although I just finished the Pro Intense wheel, I can tell it to you again. It's no problem. If you don't have any preference, I would like to show you another. I would like to show you another thing. I would like to show the next in my order, by my order. Okay. You can see the video here. The next is non-woven polish wheel. Non-woven polish wheel. Do you want to hear it? Non-woven polish wheel always grinding the big. It's grinding the big stuff. And it's also a kind of threaded joints, right? It's used non-woven polish wheel to make the surface clean and smooth enough, and to make sure the working performance is better. Okay, so uh, if we were right here and let's let's start with the non-woven polish wheel. Non-woven polish wheel is made of high toughness and high temperature resistance with high quality nylon fiber. No matter which product, we also choose the best quality of the materials and minerals to produce to make the granules. Okay, we select the first grade silicon carbide abrasive and compounded by a special adhesive grinding wheel has good resistance to corrosion, good heat dissipation. These points are very important to keep the operator safe, to keep the working procedure secure. Right? The good heat dissipation and the good mm, and to avoid any clogging happen, to won't cause any block during the operation. These 2 points are very important for the safe and the secure of the operator. Right? Right. And it could, because of the material we choose, because of the technology we choose, and it can make sure a stable work and a low noise, and it can handle surface treatment tasks without material loss. It effectively removes solder stains, deburs, oxides, and eliminates scratches. Ideal for grinding and polishing threaded grip pipe constructions, hardware, kitchen utensils, stainless steel, flatware, golf clubs, and fishing box. Actually, and you can see here. You can see the video here. We use the wave polish wheel to polishing the threaded drill pipe. Polish the threaded drill pipe. But this is a big screwer. Is it called screwer? Please allow me some time to check what is it exactly. And if it is called not called screwer. Please allow me some time. I think I am not so familiar with this word. Please allow me some time more. Drill. Drill. Mhm. Drill bit. Drill bit. The drill bit. Okay. Welcome everyone to join this live. We are sharing the acknowledgement of the branding stuff, and if you if you or your friend who work in the aviation industry, who work in the automotive assembly industry, or the like the petroleum industry, or knowledge must useful of you, and gain something. You can gain something from or uh, sharing of knowledge. Okay. Um, the novel polish wheel is specially designed for the burring and polishing applications for all kinds of metal pipes, threaded joints. It uses special glue abrasives for excellent performance. This is the pro unit test we are talking about, right? To keep the threaded smooth and clean enough, and with this you can connect the pipe together more solid and avoid any leak of the oil or gas. Right? This is very important. This is very important, and why the petroleum industry they always choose the best quality pro-urine type oil to work with because the threaded joints need to be polished very carefully, and it is it is kind of sophisticated work. It's a kind of sophisticated work to do. Actually. Okay, and you can see that our non-woven polish mill is polishing the drill bit, a large size of drill bit. This is Commonwealth wheel. Do we want to know something about the Commonwealth wheel? The Commonwealth wheel also is also a knockout product of us. Okay, now please allow me to finish the non-woven polish wheel. The non-woven polish wheel has a high quality. It's a high quality product. Why? Because the fiber polish wheel is made of high toughness, heat-resistant nylon fiber, and high-quality silicon carbide and other mixed abrasives, and is bonded together with special adhesives to provide a stable and uniform polishing effect. Excellent performance. The wide structure and high tensile strength of the burring wheel has impressive anti-clogging performance, excellent heat loss performance, smooth operation, low noise, water and oil resistance, providing the best polishing experience. Versatile nylon fiber polish discs are ideal for removing unwanted burrs, sharp-edged paint, oxide, and ideal for removing corners, welding stains, and contaminants from metal wall pieces. Also suitable for ceramic, marble, and other stone surfaces. And you can see that how the versatile the non-woven polish wheel. Right. I will have you some case show. Okay. The ordinary black nylon wheel is generally used to polish kitchen utensils, golf clubs, medical equipment, hardware, processing, and other types of metal. The value and the picture. You can see the value just now. It's just that scroll over. You know, uh, actually, we work with many big famous companies in China for the drill bit for polishing the drill bit. Actually, we work with many famous uh, companies in China. Like we work with Dezhou Unified Petroleum Technology Company, using high quality nylon fiber with high toughness and high temperature resistance, selecting the first grade silicon carbide and other mixed abrasives and compounding by special adhesive with excellent adhesion. It can effectively remove welding stains. Welding can effectively remove the welding stains. Okay, the description. So what do you want to hear? What about let's do the next to do the last one of the day and the complete will? Do you want to hear it? The complete will. I love complete will because it can prove our high ability or exclusive ability than other branding solution providers. Okay, I'll give you a main idea of convoluted will. Okay, I'll give you a main idea of convoluted will. And this is of convoluted will. And you also can see in the picture below, right? The convoluted wills are designed for a wide range of deburring applications, suitable for a wide range of polishing and deburring applications, and can substitute XO deburring wheels 100%. XO EXL deburring complete wheel is used in the it's a famous brand. It's not out product free. I'm thinking you, if you work in this area, you must know what I'm saying. So our company will can send a substitute of that product. Okay, and can signal. Okay, substitute EXL brain wheels 100%, such as medical devices, surgical pilers, polishing, metal coating edge spurs, steel wire edge spurs, piston ring spurs, aluminum spurs. Spurs are mostly processed parts, plastic parts, flash, etc. Ultra long durability. Ultra long durability is an advantage of this combo as well. And the surface treatment effect is good. The line is uniform and beautiful, excellent high temperature resistance, and no born. This is no black silk. Mm, okay, I'll give you some case show. To meet customers' requirement to maintain appropriate productivity, control cost, and deliver service within expectations, we designed a flexible composite wheel branding solution to replace the 3M composite wheel that our customers had previously used. The first grade silicon carbide and aluminum abrasive are selected by us, and the abrasive are combined with non-woven materials from a stable abrasive system. The material operates at a lower temperature, providing uniform wear of the for these wheels, which can render rough surface to the expected finish, handles complex geometry, contoured areas, and clean contours, effectively removing unwanted burrs, dirt, oxide, and contaminants. Currently, we work with Harbin Turbine Blades Company. The Harbin Turbine Blades Company is, I think, the top three turbine blades company in China, and I think it's a state-owned company. You know, in China, to work with a state-owned company, it's very strict. They have very strict standard to meet up. So if a Chinese company, if in China you can work with a state-owned company, it means your quality is way better than normal product on the market. So that we can work with the Harbin Turbine Blade Company, it proves that, or how you can think it's a proof of how good our product is. We can work with the Harbin Turbine Company, the Harbin Turbine Blade Company. Right? Mm. And except this, we also work with some aviation company in China. Aviation company in China. And all these aviation companies, they have a extreme strict standard the requirement to make up with, because aircraft because aircraft related to the many lives, right, many families, they have to keep it 100% safe and secure during maintenance, right? Every part of an aircraft need to be maintained regularly, and the turbine blades also need to be polished regularly. And in this period, they have to choose the high standard wheels to polish their the blades or the rotors. So how you can imagine how strict the requirement they have, and we can work with him. It proves that our product is quite outstanding. The performance of our product is quite outstanding, or we won't have any chance to work with them. Okay, so if you work, all your friends or anyone who work in the aviation company, actually please introduce us to them. We will help with them. We will contribute to them success, to contribute them business, definitely. Okay, thank you for watching today's live. I think the thank you for watching today's live. I think the live stream today we could stop here. Mm, and hope and it's very glad to see you again after a period of uh, no live show. So hope you can keep following us, and I hope to have your I hope to have your attention. I hope to have your attention in a long period, and in the long period you will keep sharing of acknowledgement, and it will help you or help you with your brand definitely in one day. Okay, thank you for joining our live stream. Ah, 3 minutes. Fuck. Oof, sorry, sorry. Oh, if you want to know, if you hello the YouTubers, you want to know if you know something about the product behind me, and you can leave us a comment. And I hope we can have your comments and allow me the opportunity to introduce more about our about our product. I didn't say any comments. Silver line logistic. utensils. Colors, I don't know if it was through here, I don't know. So many. 乱七八糟。Just bring this out. It's okay. Away. First. And the next. And, okay. Finish. Thank you for